Derek Barrett has been sentenced to a maximum of 46 years behind bars for the sadistic stabbing murder of his niece in April 2016. University student Mengmei Leng, also known as Michelle, was tied up and killed by Barrett, her aunt's husband, at the home they all shared at Campsie in Sydney's west. 2 days later, her naked body was driven more than 100 kilometers away and dumped in a blowhole at Snapper Point on the Central Coast, where it was found by tourists. On Friday, Justice Helen Wilson sentenced Barrett, 29, to at least 34 years and 6 months in prison for his crime. He will be eligible for parole in 2050. Barrett pleaded guilty in August to murdering and kidnapping his niece, as well as sneaking into her room previously while she slept and taking videos while he touched himself. He also admitted to taking 19 explicit photos of Ms. Leng in her body shortly before she died. Barrett claimed at a sentencing hearing he could not remember the 48-hour period during which he killed Ms. Leng, 25, including cleaning the crime scene and dumping her body, because he was high on ice and synthetic cannabis. He said his only memories were an argument, seeing blood in the bathroom sink, and his niece's terrified face shouting at him. However, Justice Wilson said she did not believe Barrett was telling the truth about his memory loss, and did not believe he was genuinely sorry for what he had done. Had the offender been genuinely remorseful, he would have given an honest account of what he did, and why. I do not believe the offender has done it, Justice Wilson said. I have concluded the offender can give an account of these events, he has chosen not to. Justice Wilson said Barrett's conduct while giving evidence, including appearing to cry, had the air of someone playing a part and saying what he thought he should say. His distress seemed somewhat contrived, she said. For Ms. Leng's family, no crime could be worse than this. The court heard Ms. Leng probably died on the morning of April the 22nd, because photographs on Barrett's phone showed her tied up on a bed at 8 a.m., looking at the camera with terror. Later that day, when Ms. Leng's cousin arrived home, Barrett remained in the bathroom for at least 3 hours with the shower running the entire time. With the amount of blood I saw in the sink, it could have been me cleaning, Barrett said. More to come.